Rotator Cuff Repair Products Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global rotator cuff repair product market size will be $852.8 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 9% from 2024 to 2031. North America rotator cuff repair products market size of $341.12 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.1% from 2024 to 2031. Europe rotator cuff repair products market size of $255.84 million. Asia Pacific rotator cuff repair products market size of $196.14 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.9% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America rotator cuff repair products market size of $42.64 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa rotator cuff repair products market size of $17.06 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.6% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.